tough to unbox. So this is how the packing is received from Apple. Time to unbox now. What a fine packing. Wow, wow, wow. Such a great packing. Fantastic. MacBook Air. The other colors available are Midnight, SpaceGrey and Starlight. So let's unbox it. Wow. It feels so light and it feels so small. I have a Dell 15-inch laptop. So in comparison to Dell, it's quite small. And I had opted for a dual power adapter. What is good, the MagSafe is back. Laptop, and this thing is braided. It's very nice. This, I think nobody sees it. There must be Apple stickers in this. They are so slippery, they're not coming out. I can show you from here, they're not coming out. Okay, never mind. I'll keep it aside. This is the masterpiece. Wow, wow, wow. It's just so magical and it looks so premium. Such a premium product. This is. I haven't seen such a premium quality product before. It's just so premium. Wow, man, wow. The screen looks so crisp and clear. And I opted for the 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU with 256 gigabyte of SSD. So premium. Wow. The MagSafe USB and the dual port power adapter. Guys, that's all.